Hi guys! So you might have heard me mention earlier that I was cleaning out my fridge. Oh, if you could smell the kitchen right now. Something we like to do in this place when we clean out our fridge is test things blindfolded to see if they're actually edible or not. And then once we figure out what we're eating, if it's not edible, we throw it out. Now just in case, I have my garbage can here and a cup of juice. Because, oh my god, this smells so bad. Alright, we're gonna go with the first What am I touching? Okay, it's slimy. I swear to god. I can't do this. It's I thought it was a pickle. It's spicy. I want to go with it's a pickled asparagus, a pickled bean.
No.
Pickled pickle.
Pickled pepper.
Pickle. I have pickled peppers. Since when did we have pickled peppers? Oh dear. Why am I tempted to eat this? I'm gonna put that back on the plate there. I'm gonna go with, that was disgusting. I'm trying. Okay. Oh, this is even slimier. This is, oh. This is Cajun chicken. Cajun chicken is still edible. Okay. That's good.
The sandwich.
Keep the sandwich meat. I was worried about that one. Is there anything else on this plate?
There's
there's more. Well, what did I just do? This tastes like a pickled bean. These are good. I don't know what these are, but we're keeping these. Oh, they're spicy!
I'm gonna.
Why is everything spicy? Okay. Oh, this is spongy. This is fucking weird. I think this is bread. I don't usually eat bread. Please tell me this bread's not moldy.
No.
Okay. If it still has texture, it tastes awful, but it's bread. Okay.
Keep going.
Ugh.
Turn.
Oh, there's more? There's more on the plate. Okay. That's bread.
Closer to you.
Oh! What am I holding? Okay. This is some form of fruit that is on the verge of tasting like wine. I want to say like pineapple.
Yep.
Okay. If we stick the pineapple in the freezer, I think it'll be good in a smoothie. If we keep it in the fridge, that's going to go bad in a day. I don't know if I should swallow that. Okay. That was disgusting.
There's something right under your hand.
There's more?
Yep.
Oh, this is a strawberry. Oh, I hope it's good. Oh, I dropped it. Oh! The strawberry is not bad. Okay.
There's one more thing on the plate.
Holy fuck.
To your left. Up.
This?
Yep.
What the fuck is this?
That's for you to
Use
find out.
language. Oh dear. Oh! What am I eating? Is this a potato?
Yep.
Oh, I guessed it.
It was.
We don't have any cooked potatoes. Should I be concerned?
Probably.
I was gonna eat the other half.
There's 2 more pieces.
A potato?
Yep.
Oh, I'm not eating those.
Alright, I don't know how long those have been sitting there for.
My spoon. I've just been informed that this first bowl has 2 separate sauces in it. And I need to figure out how to get the spoon into the bowl. Okay.
You could hold the bowl.
Oh, yes, that makes sense. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again.
It fell off.
I'm concerned.
You should be.
It smells really bad. I don't know if I can eat this. Just based on the smell. Okay. I'm worried about this one. I'm crying. I'm so scared. No. No. Whatever. No. The spoon. I can't see, so I'm going to attempt to lick the back of the spoon without getting whatever this cheese stuff is in my hair. Oh, that smells, well.
Something smells fishy.
Oh, whatever that is not good. Okay.
There's more.
I'm drooling. Ah. No. Okay. Oh. We have determined that what's in the first bowl is not safe. That's why my nose is running. Is there only one thing in this bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. I can't find it. Oh. Okay. It's really spicy. Oh. It burns. What the? Well, it's still good, whatever it is, but ooh.
Do you know what it is?
That's not our red pepper jelly, is it?
No.
There's a lot of seeds in that. That's not garlic.
That one would be chili garlic sauce.
Where did we get chili garlic sauce from? My tongue is on fire. That's not funny, man. Let's give her a stir. Alright. That would be a 3.5-month-old spinach dip. That's not good. That one's going in the garbage. So gross. Can I do this without vomiting? Okay, the spinach dip is garbage. Next bowl.
That's your last bowl. Your hand's over it left.
This one?
There. Yep.
Oh,
I
thank
think
God.
so. Yep.
Oh, thank God. Only one thing in here?
Yep.
Oh. All right, here we go. We can do this. The bigger the bite, the better. Whoa! What is in my mouth?
Jelly?
That's jelly. Is that red pepper jelly?
Red chili.
Yeah, that one's still good. Okay. So we are done our challenge now, and we know it's time to throw out spinach dip and cream cheese. Whew. That's all I have for you guys tonight. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.